Battle Bag. The brand new approach to carrying and storing your football gear, which provides the comfort you haven't experienced before. Sun Strap Solar Charger that fits any bag or camera strap. Flexible solar panel that fits around any bag strap and charges any USB device like your smartphone, tablet, or camera.
Sunstrap has a powerful 1.5 watt solar panel that is fully flexible and a large 5,600 milliamp hour internal battery that can charge, for an example, an iPhone 5 3.5 times. It has a USB output and a micro USB input, so you can always leave the house with a full battery. Sunstrap is very lightweight, which makes it perfect for outdoor activities.
When we looked at other solar products, we found most of them to be unattractive or inconvenient to carry around, or spent most of their time inside a bag away from the sun. We want to design something that's always exposed to the sun, charges automatically as you go about your day, and is appealing and more comfortable than what currently exists.
Whiteology, the world's most supercharged messenger bag. Combining style and function, Whiteology brings you the world's most supercharged Urban C series, the Urban Messenger, Wallet and Mini.
Wouldn't it be great to keep your phone powered right through the day? Are you constantly misplacing your phone at home and panic as you're rushing out the door? Wouldn't it be amazing to have a bag which was capable to adapt to every point in your day, even after work when you're going to the gym? But also a bag that keeps you visible at night while you're cycling home and lights inside your bag so you can find essentials as you're coming in at night. Isn't it a pain in the ass when you just know the rain is going to soak everything that you're carrying? I'm George. I've started Weartology to change this. Over the last 12 months, I've spent every minute thinking about making the best possible urban bag. I've been fortunate to partner with a manufacturer to produce high quality hand-stitched bags using military grade ballistic nylon and patented locks. We have designed this product to meet the needs of all of us who need a bag to meet fun and function. So you don't need to sacrifice style over tech. We have developed the world's first dual transmitting power source which not only charges itself but also your phone wirelessly. Your power is now wire and socket free right through your day. The C-Series Urban Messenger Bag. The Smart Strap is an integral part to the whole package of this bag, with the WIT device which connects to the software application on the phone, which is downloadable from the Apple Store and the Google Play Store, connects to the voiceover feature, the selfie feature and start-stop feature of your video phone, and most importantly, the single button press is a way of identifying and finding your phone. The additional part here is ideal for credit card storage, 2 credit card slots inside, and also for storing that little bit of extra change. Slotting a wallet. The other side of the pocket is great for just stashing your phone. You can put the jacket in. Highly visible. When we finally finished the Urban Messenger bag, we asked ourselves, what next? What else could we do to further enhance the C-Series? And we thought, why can't a saddle bag be more than just a bag that you attach to your bike? To complete the C-Series, we were still missing one small piece. Smart wallet. The Smart Wallet, like the rest of our bags, comes with the WIT device. To complement the Urban Smart Wallet, we developed an exclusive range in Italian leather. Today I'm going to demonstrate how various ways in which we can charge the wireless charge battery pack that comes with the Smart Wallet. As standard, the GWPC standard dock, as you can see there, indicated by the blue light, which will charge your wallet, and you can leave at any time pledge. You can turn on the dual mode battery pack itself, and that will also actually charge the battery pack, and as you can see, this is now sending power to the battery pack inside the wallet itself. Bluetooth microcontroller, which allows us to program an app as well as this device itself to access key phone features. As we've achieved our goals through the Kickstart funds that you will help us on the pledges, we will then be able to actually finalise these products and develop the casing for mass manufacturing. The C-Series is ready, but we're a small company and we need your support in order to move into production. By backing this project, you're going to be able to join us at the start of this epic journey. Weartology is about improving life through technology, and we can't do this without you. So please join us by backing this project, sharing with your friends to help kickstart Weartology into the future.